everybody, we've got a real quick one tonight. We have the wrong car in the garage and I'm not going to switch them. We're going to be replacing the engine coolant temperature sensor. Super easy. Despite my modification, this should look exactly the same for you. It should be just as easy for you. It's a $20 part. Hopefully this will fix the problems that I've been having. I've been throwing a code for this sensor being off, and on my, I don't know which one to call it, my OBD2 reader for my phone with my Elm 327 Bluetooth thing, okay, has been throwing a code for this for a while, and I'm getting some very strange driving things. Cleaning the mass airflow did not help a thing, and neither did cleaning the air intake temperature sensor. That didn't do anything either, which I have ordered that part. It will be in next week and I'll be changing that as well. But we're going to do a video for this too. So if your temperature gauge doesn't work, or it spikes, or if you start throwing the code, hold on, we're going to be professional here, as professional as we can be. And the code for the coolant temperature sensor is a P0118 code, and that is what we are going to be replacing tonight. And unfortunately it is mid-20s outside. The car is out there, so the lighting isn't going to be great, but like I said, this is super easy. It's right on top of the coolant housing on the side of the block on the driver's side. It's super easy to get to. We can actually get it with a socket. We don't have to remove anything. Even if you're stock, your stock air intake should not be in the way of this. So we should be able to do this really quick. I want to do it really quick because it's cold outside, so I'm going to get my drop light down. We're going to run out there real quick and we're going to change this real fast. Hopefully it'll fix our problem. So obviously you're not going to have this blue stuff, but this is it right here. It's super easy to get to. As I say in every one of my videos, when we do anything on these older cars, be very careful when you grab a hold of these old plugs. Okay, pull that off there. Wires look okay. Alright, so we're going to go get our 19mm socket and our ratchet, and we're going to pull this dude out real quick and swap it out. You can see that I'm blocking the light for you guys. Hopefully we won't lose much coolant here. Nope. No, I can't get it out of there. This is going into an aluminum housing. Does not have to be that tight. That's all there is to that. And then, like I said, be careful with our wires, be careful with our plastic. Push that dude back on there. Make sure I've got a good connection. And that is literally all there is to this. We're done. It took me longer to film it and tell you what we were doing than to actually do it. The part was $20 from the parts store. It's a Master Pro ignition or whatever, so it's the O'Reilly's brand sensor, but that's literally all it took. Y'all, I cannot stress it enough. Save yourself a little bit of money. You don't have to take your car to the shop to replace something like that. Thanks for watching.
Behind me, you'll see a car.